Dear students, I was explaining you about success rules of company managers. The third point we are going to discuss is about empower and delegate responsibility. You have to give them power, at the same time give responsibility. டீமுக்கு நீங்கள் லீடராக இருக்கணும். You have to make them understand that you have to have trust in them. அவங்க பண்ணுறது நீங்கள் ஒத்துக்கணும் அண்ட் கரெக்டாக தான் பண்ணுவாங்க. அவங்களுக்கு பவர் கொஞ்சம் கொடுத்தா தான் they will work and support you. So you have to support them. The manager has to support and should not control. Next வந்து develop emotional connect. Emotional intelligence. They should understand their feelings. You have to relate with them and அவங்களோட ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் என்னங்கிறத கேட்டு you have to understand and work collaboratively. Thank you.